That front wheel is wonky now. Bent that axle arm right there. That bent wheel is rubbing on the other wheel. That's causing major problems. That's going to destroy the wheel if I keep driving on that. Yeah, you can see it really good here. This arm right here, I can grab something and pull it, but the whole trailer is just going to move. So how do we anchor the trailer? I think maybe I'm going to use that tree. All right, we got some nylon straps here. Broke my winch. My next move is let's take the tire off. I can set even reach down.